In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for presentation. To begin, open Notebooklm and make sure you are inside the notebook where you want to build your presentation. Everything starts with your sources, because the slide deck will be generated from the material you provide. Look for the option labeled plus Add Source. Click it, then choose the documents you want to use or add links to relevant web pages. Try to upload clean, well-organized sources, like a report, notes, or a single article per topic. This helps Notebooklm stay focused and produce a clearer outline and slides. After your sources are uploaded, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. This area is the Studio sidebar, where Notebooklm provides tools for creating different kinds of outputs from your sources. You will be using this space to build a slide deck. In the Studio panel, find and select the slide deck tile. This tells Notebooklm that you want a presentation-style result, not a summary or another format. Before generating anything, take a moment to customize the prompt so the deck matches your goal. On the slide deck tile, click the pencil icon to edit the instructions. In the text field, type Create a Presentation Outline. This small customization helps steer the tool toward a structured, slide-ready plan rather than a loose set of notes. Once you have entered that text, click Save to lock it in. Now you are ready to generate your presentation. Go back to the slide deck tile and click the Generate button. Notebooklm will read through your uploaded sources and create a slide deck based on the information it finds. Give it a moment to finish. If your sources are long, the generation may take a bit more time. When the deck appears, look for the three dots menu on the generated result. Click those three dots, then choose the option to download PowerPoint, saved as a .pttx file. This downloads the slide deck to your computer so you can open it in PowerPoint or another compatible presentation tool. From there, you can review the slides, adjust wording, add visuals, and refine speaker notes as needed, but the core presentation is now ready to work with. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.